Hi, this is Mr. Shaw. I want students at the Virtual Learning Academy to be lifelong learners, good citizens, and informed voters. Some of our students will be eligible to vote in the upcoming election. I am challenging all students to become informed voters prior to the election. I've included a couple of links uh, for you to check out in the video description. I would like you all to become aware of the issues on each ballot, learn how to make informed choices, and how to become a voter, how to investigate the materials, learn about the candidates' issues, and learn how to prepare for each election. Please continue to social distance, read every day, exercise, practice good hand washing, and stay healthy. Take care.